Over 11 million gamers got hardware ID banned this year. And if you're one of them, you already know the worst part. Fresh account, fresh install, brand new copy of the game, none of it matters. The ban follows your hardware. Forever. HWID bans aren't tied to your account. They're tied to your motherboard, your CPU, your drives, your network card. Every single component the anti-cheat fingerprinted is permanently flagged in their database. But here's what most people don't know. There's a clean fix for this. It's called Sync Spoofer, and it's honestly the easiest way I've found to get back into your favorite games. Sync rewrites every hardware fingerprint the anti-cheat checks. EAC, BattleEye, Ricochet, GameGuard, XIGN Code 3, all bypassed in seconds. Fortnite, Call of Duty, Apex, Rust, CS2, PUBG, Tarkov, The Finals, Rainbow Six, all supported by the same spoofer. One tool, almost every game. It just works. And the best part? You don't have to take my word for it. Sync gives you a free 12-hour trial, no card required. Run it, test it, see the results on your own PC before you ever spend $1. So if you're tired of being locked out, head over to sync.top, click Try Free, and in less than a minute, you're back in the game. See you on the battlefield.